Oregano essential oil is a must-have addition to your medicine cabinet. It is an excellent immunity booster, and works wonders when used topically for skin, parasitic and fungal infections. It also helps to aid digestion, can alleviate severe allergy and menstrual symptoms and more. Here are top 12 benefits of oregano essential oil. 1. Oregano oil for colds. Feeling congested? If you feel the symptoms of flu coming on and want a natural go-to remedy to stave off falling sick, there's evidence to suggest that oregano oil can help alleviate congestion in the airways and relieve sinus blockages. How to use oregano essential oil for colds. 1. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of oregano oil to a bowl of boiling water, place a towel over your head and breathe in the powerful vapors for 5 to 10 minutes. The moist steam helps to loosen and drain mucus in the nasal passages, and the antibacterial properties of the oil help to fight infections and relieve cold symptoms. This home remedy is excellent for those suffering from sinus infections or pneumonia. 2. Sore throat. Add a few drops of oregano oil to a glass of warm water and gargle with the blend. The antibacterial properties of the oil will help to ward off bacteria, and the anti-inflammatory properties will help to soothe an aching throat. 2. Oregano oil for ear infections. Ear infections can be extremely painful due to fluid buildup in the ear caused by the eustachian tubes that connect the middle ear to the nose, becoming blocked. This can occur due to viral or bacterial infections, blocked sinuses, allergies, swollen adenoid glands and more. Oregano oil can help relieve the pain caused by an ear infection, as it is a natural anti-inflammatory and has anesthetic properties, and is one of the most effective essential oils to use for ear infections. How to use oregano oil for ear infections. Add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil with 2 to 3 drops of a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil and rub and massage it on the outside of the ear. Be careful not to get it inside the ear canal. The oil will permeate the skin and absorb into the tissues and help alleviate pain and throbbing in the ear. 3. Oregano oil for stomach issues. There can be many causes of an upset stomach, such as indigestion, a bacterial infection, excess acid, bloating and more. Oregano oil has shown to be effective against several strains of bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella, the microbes notoriously responsible for causing food poisoning. How to use oregano essential oil for stomach discomfort. Add 1 to 2 drops of therapeutic-grade oregano essential oil to a warm cup of tea, lemon or peppermint tea work well, and sip on it to aid digestion after a big, heavy meal. 4. Oregano oil for skin conditions. Oregano oil can benefit those who have skin conditions such as eczema, candidiasis, acne, psoriasis, rosacea, and those suffering from skin infections can find relief from the external topical application of oregano oil. Especially those who suffer from psoriasis, an inflammatory skin condition, say that oregano oil helps them to alleviate symptoms, and although there's no official published research on this, it may well be because oregano oil is a natural anti-inflammatory. How to use oregano essential oil for skin. Mix 10 to 15 drops of oregano oil in 2 to 3 tablespoons of a carrier oil such as coconut, jojoba or olive oil and apply to the affected areas. Please note, oregano oil is considered to be an oil having hot properties, so can cause irritation to the skin if used directly. It is best to mix with a carrier oil and try a small area on your skin first, and if your skin feels irritated or you see redness, discontinue use. 5. Oregano oil for acne. The antiseptic and antibacterial medicinal properties of oregano essential oil can work wonders for those who suffer from acne. Oregano oil contains carvacrol, an active compound with excellent antimicrobial properties that can help to kill acne-causing bacteria, dry out acne lesions and reduce swelling and inflammation. It is especially beneficial against cystic acne, a severe type of acne that usually occurs in the teenage years, where pores become clogged leading to large pimples, chronic inflammation and infection. How to use oregano essential oil for acne. Add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil to a little water. Soak a cotton ball with the blend and dab onto acne lesions. Carvacrol, the active compound in oregano oil, helps to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation caused by acne. Please note, it is best to not use oregano oil directly on acne as it can actually burn the skin. Also, when using it as a natural treatment for acne, try it on a small area on your skin first, and if your skin feels irritated or you see redness, discontinue use. 6. Oregano oil for Candida. Candida is a type of fungus that lives in the body and when the conditions are right can multiply and unleash havoc in the body. Some of the telltale signs of Candida overgrowth include a thick whitish coating on the tongue, vaginal yeast infections and more. How to use oregano oil for Candida. 1. Take sublingually. For internal yeast infections, add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil to an edible carrier oil such as olive or coconut oil and take it sublingually, under your tongue. Swish the blend under the tongue for a minute or so, giving it time to absorb into your blood, and then spit it out. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. 2. Skin infections. For topical yeast infections, mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil and apply 2 to 3 times daily. 7. Oregano oil for toenail fungus. Nail fungus is one of those recurrent problems that people can suffer with for years. If you've used creams and chemical-filled medications and still nothing has seemed to work, oregano oil can be the miracle cure you've been looking for. Oregano essential oil can work wonders for all sorts of fungal infections, especially nail fungus and a contagious condition called tinea pedis, better known as athlete's foot. How to use oregano oil for toenail fungus and fungal infections. Soak the affected foot for 15 to 20 minutes in a solution of warm water and 1 teaspoon of oregano oil. Do this twice a day for best results. You can also add 1/2 cup of Epsom salts, as this will help to relax your muscles. 8. Oregano oil for aging. Oregano oil contains an abundance of antioxidants that defend the body against free radicals and other damaging agents that speed up aging. Phenols present in the oil are powerful antioxidants and target and neutralize free radicals responsible for causing certain cancers, aging, wrinkles, nervous system disorders, muscle degeneration and more. How to use oregano oil for aging. Mix 20 drops of oregano essential oil with a 1/4 cup coconut oil, solid at room temperature, and a 1/4 cup moringa oil, an excellent carrier oil that naturally rejuvenates dull, tired and aging skin and prevents sagging facial muscles. Blend and apply on the face. This daily regimen can help you age gracefully and is an excellent alternative to chemically ridden anti-wrinkle creams. 9. Oregano oil for cold sores. Cold sores are small, swollen, often painful, red blisters that appear usually on the lips and around the mouth and are caused by the herpes simplex virus 1. The reason why oregano essential oil works so well against viruses, like the herpes virus, is because unlike conventional antibiotics and drugs, oregano oil can penetrate through the cell membrane and attack viruses right where they live, in the cell itself. Oregano oil can help heal cold sores by reducing swelling and killing the virus inside the red, painful blisters. Its anti-inflammatory properties also helps promote faster healing. How to use oregano oil for cold sores. Mix 3 to 4 drops of oregano essential oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil such as neem oil, a powerful oil with healing properties to fight the herpes virus, or coconut oil, a natural antiviral. Dab the mixture in a cotton ball or Q-tip and apply directly on the cold sore 3 to 4 times a day. At night, do the same, but this time hold the soaked cotton ball in place with a band-aid and keep it on overnight. Repeat this for a few days until the cold sore disappears completely. 10. Oregano oil for arthritis, joint and muscle pain. Oregano essential oil, being a power anti-inflammatory, can penetrate the skin and go deep into the joints to help relieve pain and inflammation and help increase mobility. Research has shown that the oil can go to the synovial fluid in the joints and serve as a natural painkiller. If you have sore and tired muscles, oil of oregano can work wonders due to its anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic and anesthetic action. It penetrates deep into the tissues and can relieve pain caused by muscle cramps, aching muscles, carpal tunnel syndrome and other muscular injuries. How to use oregano oil for arthritis and pain. Mix 5 to 7 drops of oregano essential oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil such as moringa oil. Moringa oil is recommended as a study showed that it is a potent anti-inflammatory, making it an excellent carrier oil for relieving painful, arthritic joints. You can also add 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil, an excellent analgesic, to the blend. The cooling sensation of peppermint oil will help to alleviate pain. Rub and massage the blend into the affected joints 2 to 3 times daily. You can also use the same blend to relieve cramps and sore aching muscles. 11. Oregano oil for dandruff. If you have an itchy scalp and suffer from dandruff, try oregano oil. Research shows that dandruff is caused by a yeast infection or fungus in the scalp and not the many reasons most people believe cause dandruff, like a dry or oily scalp, too much or too little hair washing etc. Being a natural antifungal, oregano oil can help fight yeast and fungal infections, including dandruff. How to use oregano oil for dandruff. Add 5 to 6 drops of therapeutic-grade oregano essential oil to around 1 tablespoon of shampoo and massage into the scalp. Make sure you don't get any shampoo into your eyes. Leave for 10 minutes and wash off. Repeat for a week. 12. Oregano oil for oral health. Oregano oil contains thymol, which is the active ingredient used in over-the-counter mouthwashes available in your local drugstore to fight bad breath, bacteria and plaque. Thymol is an antiseptic and acts as a powerful antibacterial and antifungal agent to fight bad breath and even gingivitis. How to use oregano oil for better oral health. Combine 5 drops of oregano oil and 5 drops of peppermint oil to 2 cups of spring water. Pour all ingredients into a clean bottle, glass is preferred, and shake to mix. Swish about 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoons of the mouthwash in your mouth for 30 seconds or so and spit out. Use daily. Side effects and warnings. Essential oils are natural but powerful. Some people may develop an allergic reaction to any oil, so it's always best to try a little by doing a small skin patch test on your arm or leg, never your face or neck, to make sure you don't have an adverse reaction. Oregano essential oil is a hot oil and can cause irritation of the skin and mucous membranes, so it is best to mix it with a carrier oil. Pregnant women should stay away from oregano oil as it can stimulate blood flow in the uterus. What to look for when buying essential oils. When buying essential oils, make sure the bottle says 100% pure essential oil, and has the proper name of the species mentioned on the label of the bottle. Example for oregano. Oreganum vulgare. If you see the word fragrance, it almost always means there are other additives. Ideally, it's always best to buy essential oils from an organic source that are labeled as therapeutic grade, meaning they are free of toxins and chemicals and are unfiltered and undiluted. Also beware of genetically modified ingredients and choose non-transgenic essential oils. There is no fixed recipe when it comes to essential oils, and what might work for you might not work for someone else. Since we are all biochemically exclusive, it's best to experiment with a variety of essential oils, pay attention to your body, and find the personal blends that work most optimally for you.